Hey everyone, here's a quick breakdown of the way the two-way trade option works in Telestaff. So let's say I spoke to Manny and he agreed to work my shift on the 29th and I work his shift on the 30th. Now instead of both of us putting those codes in Telestaff, I can close the loop on my end alone. So starting here in the dashboard, once you log in, click over to calendar, and then I'll click the day I wanted to trade, which is the 29th, and select add. I'm going to select shift trade off regular, and like normal I'll put Manny's name in the cover person area. So now we have this option for a two-way trade. Since I know which day I'll be paying him back for, which will be the 30th, I can select that, and then it'll show Manny or me covering Manny on that day, closing the loop and tying off the end of that trade. So we can see here on roster that Manny's working for me on the 29th, and I'm working for Manny on the 30th, and that's it.